Hi guys, welcome to my game development channel Galgodot. Today I want to show how to remove blurry effect on assets in Godot. And this is very simple. Firstly, let's select our asset and you can see our spreadsheet have a blurry effect. We couldn't see pixels exactly, and so that we can remove that effect on Godot. Firstly, select your spreadsheet on File System Manager and select Import tab, and then there's a filter option. You should uncheck this option and re-import, and then you can see pixels exactly, and we removed this blurry effect. Also, you can apply this for other assets like that. This asset is a blurry effect, and import, uncheck, re-import, and not blurry effect. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.